do this.
Okay.
Yeah. So I'll write the rules beside. So the first point is to find the longest chain of carbon. So look at the structure and tell me which is the longest chain. Yes, Dia?
Okay, so
it can be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That is one possibility. Or if you start from one of the branches, it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is small, still smaller. So 7 has to be the largest, right?
yes.
7. So what is the name of the alkane with the 7 carbon atom?
Heptane.
Yeah, heptane. Heptane. 8 is octane, 9 is nonane, and 10 is decane. Okay, so it's enough if you know only up to 10. Now, the second point is you will have to number the carbons in the main sequence so that the groups will get the smallest number. So now tell me how many groups, first of all, how many groups are there? When I say group, I am meaning the substituent. How many substituent?
3.
3. So this is one substituent, the second substituent, and this entirely is a substituent. Okay, it's not two. This is one substituent. So there are 3 substituents. So now number the longest chain such that the substituents get the smallest number. So I can have 2 way of numbering. One is from left to right and from right to left. So tell me which way will the substituents get the smallest number. I'll show both. So the first way is numbering like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is one way of numbering. Okay. If I number in this way, the substituents will get numbers 4, 5 and 6. Alright. Those will be the positions of the substituents. Isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Now another way of numbering starts from the right. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7.
Right to left.
So in this case, the substituents will get numbers 2, 3 and 4. So which one is the least way of numbering?
Right to left.
Right to left. So substituents are placed at positions 2, 3 and 4. Okay? I have numbered the carbon atoms and placed them in positions. The substituents are placed in positions 2, 3 and 4. Now you add names to this positions. Okay, so what is the one that is placed at carbon number 2? This is the one that is placed at carbon number 2. What is the name of this group called? CH3. What is it called?
Methyl.
Methyl. Again, you should tell it with confidence. No, why so much doubt? What is this called again? Again, it is at 3. It is methyl. Now, what is the group present at 4? At 4, the group has 2 carbon atoms, right? Not one carbon atom. It has 2 carbon atoms, which is CH2, CH3. Now, what is the parent alkane with 2 carbon atoms called? With 1 carbon atom, it is called methane. With 2 carbon atoms, it is called? I just wrote it on the previous slide. If you have taken it down, just look. Ethane. So ethane is the parent carbon, and one short of that you will name it as ethyl. Alright?
Oh, okay.
Okay, methane is methyl, ethane is ethyl. The alkyl group corresponding to 2 carbon atoms is called as ethyl. Alright? Okay, so I have carbon atoms at 2, 3 and 4. So it is 2 methyl, 3 methyl, 4 ethyl heptane. Okay, up to rule number 3, that is the name that we have given. Alright?
Yeah.
So it looks like something like this: 2 methyl. Just write it down along with me. Okay, 2 methyl, 3 methyl, and 4 ethyl heptane. So this is the name so far that we have given. Now we will try to use rule number 4 and 5 to simplify this name further. Let me know if you have finished writing.
Yeah.
Atharva also?
Yeah.
Okay. So rule number 4 says that you will have to use prefixes to indicate the appearance of the same group more than once. So what is the same group that is appearing more than once? What is the group that is appearing more than once in this?
CH.
Yeah, what is the name of the group? What is the name of that group?
Methyl.
Methyl. How many times does it appear? Twice. So what is the name given to it? That's dimethyl. And you will have to specify at what positions it is present. Okay. What are the positions in which it is present? It is present at 2 and at 3. So 2, 3, dimethyl, 4-ethyl heptane. Okay. We have not finished yet. Up to rule number 4, this is the name that you can give. So you have clubbed, instead of writing 2 times methyl, you use dimethyl and just mention the position of the carbon atoms where they appear. It appears at 2 and at 3. Alright? Okay. Just give me a minute. Jeremy, பூரி இருக்குதா? இருக்குதா? ரெண்டு எடுத்து போட்டு போய்க்கோ. அந்த தண்ணி அந்த மில்க் பிக்கிஸ் எல்லாம் எடுத்து போட்டு போய்க்கோ. Okay, is that fine with both of you? Yeah. Now the next step says that you will have to list the name of the alkyl substituents in the alphabetic order. And when you give the alphabetic order, you will have to ignore the order of the prefixes. Just consider only the substituent names.
So it's 4-ethyl.
Yeah. Now the two substituents are methyl and ethyl. And E comes first and then comes M, right?
Yeah.
So ethyl has to come first. Even though there is a D here, you will not use dimethyl because you are not going to consider the order of the prefixes, just the order of the substituents alone.
Yeah.
Okay, so it becomes 4-ethyl, 2,3 dimethyl heptane. So that's one single word, no space in between. The only punctuations that you can use is hyphen and comma. Alright?
Yeah.
Okay, so it is 4-ethyl, 2,3 dimethyl heptane.
Okay.
Fine, Atharva?
Okay.
Yeah. Can we move on to the next?
Yeah.
Now try doing this one. The first step is to find out the longest carbon chain.
Okay, so then it's 1. So from the left side, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right?
How is it 7?
No, it's
6. Yeah, 6. Not the long. Actually, yeah, that's the longest.
If I start from the extreme, it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is one possibility. If I take any other route, it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's only 5, which is very small. Another possibility is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So it is 6 carbon atoms long. Fine. So I take the main chain to be this one. Whatever is encircled. Alright. And what is the name given to that? For 6 carbon atoms long?
Hexane.
Hexane. Yeah, Diya, you can tell confidently, okay? You know it, why are you telling very feebly? Yeah. The next is number the carbon atoms such that the substituent gets the least numbering. This,
Left to right.
this is the substituent. So tell me which way of numbering will give you the smallest number.
is both.
Tell me what is the number.
3.
Okay, if I number from right, it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That will be 4 carbon atoms. If I number the other way, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the numbering has to be done from right to left so that this carbon atom gets the smallest number.
Oh yeah, I forgot those.
So that's 3. The number is 3. And you will have to identify what is the substituent at carbon number 3. What is the name of this substituent with 2 carbon atoms called? Ethyl. Ethyl. I'm sorry. So it is 3-ethyl heptane. Sorry. I'm sorry, it is hexane. 3-ethyl hexane. Yes, both of you get that?
Yeah.
3-ethyl hexane. Okay. Now, does the rule number 4 apply to this case?
No.
No, you don't have more than one group, so it's just 3-ethyl, and so rule number 5 will also not apply. So the answer is 3-ethyl hexane.
Okay.
Now is it easier for you to understand?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Now let's try one more example. Find out the longest chain and then try. You have the rules written with you, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Now try to do it on your own, and at the end I'll help you out.
Okay.
Yeah. Keep doing. I'll be back in a minute. Chinu. Baby. Atharva, are you doing?
Yeah.
So let me know once you are finished.
Wait, so the longest change would be going downwards, right?
It's 6. I think.
Yeah.
It's 6 carbon atoms long. Okay. So if you look just the vertical one, it's only 5. If you take this branch, it is 6 carbon atoms long. Okay.
It's CH3.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
it's 3 methyl and hexane, right?
Yeah.
What's the name?
3 hexane.
Just 3-methyl hexane? You have 2 substituents. You have 2 substituents. Even though they are the same, you will have to name them. There are 2 methyl groups and both of them are attached to the third carbon. So don't dimethyl, and you will have to mention the positions also. What are the positions? Both attached to the third carbon. Right? Yeah, 3, 3. So you will have, this is hexane. The numbering is at 3 and 3. So 3-methyl, 3-methyl. And if you go to rule number 4, you will have to put them as prefix or suffix. So it is 3, 3 dimethyl hexane. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
And since there is no other groups, you don't have to worry about alphabetic order. Okay, so even if it is the same group that is attached to the same carbon atom, you have to explicitly specify their position. If the word die comes here, you will have to mention the two positions here. If try comes, you will have to have three numbers there, separated by commas. Even if it is the same number, you have to write it twice, 3, 3, 4, 4, and so on. Is that fine?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
So I have to go now.
Yeah, you can. Is it time? Yeah. So I think we'll wind up with this because the others are also not there, and we'll continue in the next class. All right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.